Hello,
Hi, teacher.
my name is Teacher Ben and I'll be your examiner for today. Welcome to your speaking part of the test. Can I have your ID, please?
Yes.
Thank you. What's your full name?
My full name is Trần Lê Linh Chi. You can call me Nina.
All right, for this part of the test, I'll call you Nina, okay?
Yes.
All right. So I have three parts here. Part one, I'll ask you some questions. Part two, I'll give you a task card. And part three, I'll ask you some follow-up questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. How's the weather today?
I think it's so hot.
I think so too. So how do you feel?
Uh, the weather today is hot, but I feel very comfortable.
All right, very good. Okay, let's get to it. Let's talk about work and education. Do you work or study?
Uh, Now I am studying at school. I studying at high school.
All right. What do you do every day at school?
In school, uh, my I always study and listen my teacher teach our many lesson, so we can also talk and play games with friends in break.
All right, good. What's your favorite subject?
I think my favorite subject is English,
Oh,
because when I study English, I feel very comfortable and interesting. Uh, when study English, I can listen to music or talk to my friend or foreign pupil. I think it's very useful and improve my English skill.
all right. Do you like your school?
Yes, I like my school because in my school I have friends, I have teacher, and I have many lessons to uh, improve my knowledge. So that's his reason I like school.
All right. Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is um, English teacher. She name is Thủy. Uh, I, I I see she is very um, beautiful, and she always teach us many skill like listen, reading, uh, reading, speaking, and many vocabulary we don't know.
All right. Do you study English every day?
Uh, Maybe not because we also study many subjects like math, uh, literature, and literature or science.
All right. What do you want to be in the future and why?
I want to be in the future. I want to be a doctor or maybe teacher, because I like. I want to um, help people about their health or about their knowledge. So
All right. That's it. Thank you. And that is the end of part one. All right, part two, I'll give you a task card. Please prepare for 1 minute and speak for two. All right. There you go. You may start, please. You may start.
now,
Yes.
well, today I want to describe about my holiday I enjoyed. Uh, I think I have many summer holiday, uh, but but I remember uh, about Nha Trang, trip to Nha Trang. I went to Nha Trang last year with my family. Is this is my summer holiday. I uh, I like I like because I go to Nha Trang. I went to Nha Trang by plane. I uh, uh, I went to Nha Trang by plane with my family, and my sibling. Uh, I feel very comfortable when I go to this by plane. We stayed at small hotel about 4 days. Um, in in there, uh, first in the first day we went to the beach and play and play and took many for beautiful photos. In the evening, we have many time to go around city and buy something. I have buy many toys and food to my friends and my neighbor. So mm, uh, in the in the two in the and in the next day, I also went to Vinwonder to play many dangerous games. Uh, I I feel very scared, but now when uh, but it's also interesting. I like uh, I like this trip because it make me feel happy and I don't worry about homework or exam at school. I don't feel stressed about many exam I did at school. And when I go to travel with my family, I can um, we can have a lot of beautiful memories. So that is why I like this trip. um, uh, I I like travel and um, this summer holiday make me feel um, better. uh, yes.
All right. That's the end of part two. All right. Now the next part. Thank you. Okay, let's talk about holidays and travel. Why do people like traveling?
Mm, I think people like traveling because uh, when they feel stressed, w- we can we can go traveling to relax and enjoy memory. So people can travel in any time when we feel boring.
All right. Is traveling expensive?
I think traveling is very expensive, but when you have very well planned, we can make it more we can make it easier and cheaper.
All right. Do people travel more now than before?
Yes, when um, society uh, in society improve, the travel is more. Uh, the more people went to go travel because they have job, they have money, and they have time to relax and I think it's like hobby and activity a- activity all people must try.
All right. So which is better, city travel or countryside travel?
I think city travel and countryside travel is mm, good, but I think city travel is better because city travel is more interesting and it's not boring like countryside. City travel have many places, many games, and many people you can talk, and this is very better like countryside.
All right. Thank you very much. And that is the end of this speaking test. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
All right.